everyone, welcome to another AI class video. My name is Colbin and I'm new to the team. I always want to be a part of the team, and I'm glad I'm here to help share some of the knowledge that I have acquired to you, all the viewers of the tube. So let's get started. A lot's been happening with AI. A lot's been happening with AI in general, from video to photo to everything. But today we're covering something pretty cool. It's called Live Portrait, KJ. We will link the source of this GitHub. It's by Kajai. I think is how you say his name. It's like so many different pronunciations these days of different names. And I want to offend him or her or whatever. But I will link it here and you can go to the GitHub. I know, as always, very easy to install. If you want to install it to the GitHub, you just click on this arrow for code, copy the URL to clipboard, and then you go into your custom nodes where I think it should be. Yep, you go here. It's for Windows though, guys, Windows. I don't have a Mac, we don't have a Mac. Hit CMD and the URL, and then type in git clone, then paste the URL there. I already have it installed, so I'm not going to install it again. That will kill me. It will cause so much clutter and everything in that folder. But that's how you get it installed. You can also go to the ComfyUI manager. We have right here. And you can also look it up this way. I'm pretty sure it's here. Live Portrait. Yeah, it's right here. You can install this one by Kajai. Inside face is required. Just letting you know, and a lot of people are having trouble with that. It's really simple as doing, again, PIP install inside face, which is right here. If you're not sure, or if you're using the portable version of the ComfyUI, Windows Portable, you would put in this. So basically this Live Portrait will animate any portrait based on a video. So you can have a video of someone talking or making facial expressions, and you can transfer that to any photo, and it will do its best to get all the eye movement and all the lips and the head movement down correctly. They have a lot of great examples on here. There's also great examples of the different. If you go and click on the original Live Portrait, you see some good examples here. The eyes moving and smiling. They have a lot of these videos in there, so you can use these videos and test them out with different photos. And there's a lot of ways to use it nowadays. Like a lot of these custom nodes give you a lot of ways. The Gradio interface as well. You can put that and install that. So what we're going to do is we will try out a few of the custom. I'm just going to create a new. We're going to try a few of the custom videos that they provide. Or you can use what they, their videos, their source videos. We're also going to test this and run this through source videos of our own to see how well it handles use cases. So, ignore this because that's not where I want you to see. So we're going to go to okay, so there should be and under assets, I'm pretty sure. Right here. Oh, there are none. There they are. So these are the assets that they provide. So if we choose this one as a source video, we have this lady, Q prompt. this workflow will be saved and it will be posted to our Google Drive. So you can just download it there for free. So it starts out with the load live portrait model, which is a Python node, goes into live portrait process. So here's the original video. It's of the guy winking, and it's going to apply that to this video. And there it is. She's winking, and a little smirk of her upper lip there. We're going to try another video that they provide. Let's do this guy, D5. Hit what you prompt. And we're going to go into these settings a little later on. The important ones are the eye retargeting and the lip retargeting, because they can drastically change your outcome, but it may be what you're looking for. So this guy is making a cringe face. He's kissing and they make your cringe face. So we're going to see how that does. And this is going from a male face, so female face. It doesn't really matter what kind of face goes to what type of face. Oh, there it goes. And he does a cringe face. So a lot of these examples are good because there is no head movement at all. The head doesn't move at all. So we tested some things. We tested some videos for some actual use cases. And we're going to show you those tests right now. Here's the first test, which is anime meme song, I guess, and we'll show you the original, and then we'll show you it applied to different faces. So we're going to check that out. And with this test, it's all the same settings as this. Nothing was changed. It's all the default settings. And please keep your eye on the head movement and how it changes the photo. Okay, if you guys noticed, it did an okay job, but if you have a little bit of too much head movement, like if your head moves back and forth, up and down, it throws it off a little bit, and it kind of distorts it a little bit. So any source video you use, you want to be able to have no head movement at all. See, this guy's head is not moving, barely, not even anything. It's only the facial features that are moving. And that's what makes it so realistic, because nothing is really morphing or changing anywhere else. So the second example we showed, the first one you're going to see is all default settings, right? And then a second one right after that, we did eye retargeting and lip retargeting, both true, and we kept it at 1. We did try and lower this, but it made no difference. But I assume the eye retargeting and the lip retargeting help keep the head motion at a minimum, and you'll notice that the head doesn't move at all. So come watch the first one, which is the default setting, and the second one where we have the eye retargeting and lip retargeting on.
So as some of you may know, I was very sheltered as a child. I wasn't allowed to do anything. I wasn't allowed to go anywhere. My dad was very strict. And I think I had just turned 17 at the time of the story. So when my dad asked me where I was going, of course I wasn't gonna say to a glow-in-the-dark party with my 25-year-old sister, where there will be lots of alcohol and lots of boys. I said the church fair. Yes, I did. I know. It was wrong. It was wrong. So as some of you may know, I was very sheltered as a child. I wasn't allowed to do anything. I wasn't allowed to go anywhere. My dad was very strict. And I think I had just turned 17 at the time of the story. So when my dad asked me where I was going, of course I wasn't gonna say to a glow-in-the-dark party with my 25-year-old sister, where there will be lots of alcohol and lots of boys. I said the church fair. Yes, I did. I know. It was wrong. It was wrong.
All right, guys. So if you saw that, the first one, head was flopping everywhere because the source video, her head was moving a lot as well. But you notice the second video, once we had this eye retargeting true, lip retargeting true, the head did not move at all. At all. And you saw that some of, it didn't look as realistic, but for those kind of videos, if you want to do your own source videos for this, please keep your head movement to a minimum. Absolute minimum for this to work and for you to get the right results. Because if you move a little bit, even to the side, up and down, it'll distort the image and it may throw this off a little bit. So just some key tips if you want to do your own videos, do your own source videos, make sure you're able to crop your videos down to 1024 to a square. So 1024 to 10 by 1024 or 512 by 512, and keep the face centered as possible and don't have it fluctuate too much. That's another tip that we have, and you'll be able to do your own voices or your own videos and add them to whatever face you want. So you can do minimal, which is facial features. You can try and do talking videos, but again, your face has to move very little. And I think that's where it's going to look robotic a little bit, because you need to have some kind of head movement for it to look as real as possible. So we like live portrait. It's phenomenal with just facial features moving. As you can see, your cheek and the skin is stretching a little bit. But if you have a lot of head movement, bobbing or turning of a head, or even like looking up and down, like moving your head up and down, it's going to throw it off. So make sure you guys like and subscribe to AI Fuzz. We were glad we were able to test this out and run this through the process. And we will see you next time on another video, because we're trying to get back video business here and get these out. So Colvin, this is me. I'll see you guys later. Bye.